Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. Prajakta, do you want to take these points today? We have 5 minutes, so we can take these points.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody take these points. We start after 10 minutes. Prajakta, hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yesterday we saw enabling technologies of WSN and types of application and real application of WSN networks. Now today we are going to see MNET means mobile ad hoc networks. See, this is the network architecture of the mobile ad hoc networks. Best example is we are now connected using mobile ad hoc networks. Okay, everyone is connected through mobiles. Yes, that is the best example of mobile ad hoc networks. You see what is it is a collection of mobile nodes that can be dynamically set up anywhere, anytime without the use of pre-existing infrastructure. See, these are the laptops are connected. Laptops are not have a fixed location and also fixed no fixed location. They are and also not any infrastructure. Best example is we are connected this Google Meet from remote location through wireless networks. Okay, that means you are not fixed position. You are in not in somebody are joined from yesterday you joined from your home and somebody joined from anywhere like that and these nodes are mobile means these are not fixed location or uh, what fixed deployment. These are moving anywhere and also dynamic setup. This not fixed means is dynamically set up and for this no any pre-existing infrastructure is required for this mobile ad hoc network for communication and all that. These are the communication links and anytime we can join anytime now. Uh, See, today's Kale sir ML lecture, but unfortunately he got some work from college, so he requested me to take this lecture 2 to 3, and will Kale sir will take from 3 to 4. So I am taking. This is unfortunately anytime means anytime we can take lecture your without that is. Uh, mobile ad hoc network and we don't need any pre-existing. We have mobiles, we just networks, then we can meet on Google. That is no any fixed pre-existing infrastructure. And this is wireless networks. Another point is no fixed infrastructure. We see dynamic topology. See, no any dynamic topology. There are many topologies. You can see in DC data, what that subject in data communication, MOA ma'am is taking in that ring topology, mesh topology, another. There are many topologies, but here this is not fixed topology we can use. And nodes in MNet can be host or router. See, from we can. I want to send from here to here. You can go from here. Just send here. This act as a router, and then move to the route this message to the this that is end destination. Again, if I want to send from here to here, it is also host and router. Every node is host or router. No any what we can say station receiver. This is a receiver. This is a fixed receiver. Fix what source and in between routers. Every node is like router. See, you can send me messages or you can talk me using you should you unmute yourself and talk me. This is the best example. Our we are in Google Meet. This is the best example of mobile ad networks because you can also share your screen. You can talk. You can show, but you can on your video, not particular one. Everyone is sender and everyone is receiver. I am as a now I am as a sender means I am a source. You are a receiver. Sometimes I am asked a question, you are giving me response. That time you are a receiver, sender. I am a receiver like that. And sometimes router means how I think the router. How can I explain? Okay. So every point is receiver or sender and also router, source or router. And next, ad hoc network is a network that is set up literally for a specific purpose to meet quickly appearing communication needs. म्हणजे means it's a specifically for ad hoc means specific purpose for communication. The simplest example of ad hoc network is computers are connected together via cables to from a small network like a few laptops in a meeting. This is same. Everybody is connected for meeting. Self configuration is a crucial network. If the network is expected to work without manual management or configuration. We don't need to any configure like configuration self configure. I am talking automatically that receives the my mobile is received and sent to you to wireless and managed associated wireless communication and specifically wireless multi-hoop communication. It is also multi-hoop communication. Okay. See, multi-hoops means in between receiver and sender there is a one node which can route sender source information to destination. That is a multi is also. If I send this mobile node is sending message through here, there is between if um, I follow this path in that there are two hoops means these are two routers. Okay, that is a multi-hoop network. And the name indicates mobile of participating nodes. Means each node is like a mobile node. Okay, as typical ingredient. Examples for such a network are disaster relief operation, firefighter communicate with each other, or network in difficult location like a large construction site where the deployment of wireless infrastructure. The two basic challenges in the MANET are reorganization of the network as nodes move about and handling the problems of the limited reach reach of the wireless communication. Wait, This is visible to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Characteristics of the mobile adaptive networks. Dynamic topology. There is no fixed dynamic topology. Means we saw in mesh, ring, any topology, it can create dynamically. Energy constraint nodes means energy cell that node don't have backup and like that. Limited security. Uh, don't have a security because every node is acting as a router or a receiver or destination sender like that. Autonomous it's automatically configuration is happening in between them. Distributed, this is a distributed structure means no any fixed structure or anywhere. See here, no fixed structure. These three are sitting like this, and this middle are four like that. Any no fixed distribution. Properties, fast network establishment. Within a second, you can join this meeting. Yes, like that. Fast network establishment. Peer-to-peer connection means what? Peer-to-peer connection. Two nodes are there. They are connecting. Each is connected to connecting between those. This is peer-to-peer connection. No server in between them. Directly sender and receiver. That means I am talking. There is no in between server or anything. Directly node. You are also node. I am also node. No any server in between them. I am also from mobile connected. You are also from mobile connected. This meeting. I am talking. You are receiving. You are talking. I am receiving. That is no any server between us. Okay. That is a peer-to-peer connection. Independent competition. There is a no what indication competition between any nodes or any destination node or in between. They are just independently. No requirement of access points. Access point, okay. uh, Here see, there is no server, so we don't need to access any server and all that things. Directly we connect our nodes only. We are connecting through this Google Meet is through, we are connecting here through Google Meet. So there is no server any between who is admitting or somebody is controlling. That is access. Everyone is connected independently. No any server or any controlling point here. Everybody, if I if I am talking and you also talking in between, this disturb to others also, but you can also talk. You unmute yourself. That is no any control here. That is the no requirement of access point. Less wireless connective range. Okay. Ranges are less maybe. Uh, these are what we can say this. Okay. Nodes are mobile, so range is less to connect within some other nodes. Next. Challenges of mobile adaptive network. Topology. First one is topology. Topology is the big challenge for uh, mobile adaptive network because this is the network is distributed. Sometimes to create a topology, it's difficult task to mobile adapt networks. If it is a fix that time, it network will work better. But here is a dynamic topology, so this is the main challenge. And the security. There is no any access point or control point, so security is also one of the point here. And bandwidth is also limited because nodes are mobile, and access point is also no, not. And energy, no backup. uh, our mobile have don't backup, means see computer have a backup continuously, we can plug that to source. But mobile, if we charge and give anywhere, take this mobile to anywhere and we can connect it from anywhere. So it the mobile data network don't have energy backups, means नोट्स इन द मोबाईल नेटवर्क म्हणजे जे एमनेट मध्ये नोट्स आहेत त्यांना बॅकअप नाहीये, त्याच्यामुळे ते एनर्जी इफिशियंट नाहीये तेवढे सोर्स नोट्स. नंतर राउटिंग इज ऑल्सो बिग प्रॉब्लेम. सपोज कम्युनिकेशन करत आहे एकाच मीटिंग मध्ये वेगवेगळे लॅपटॉप थ्रू बसून, त्यावेळेस जर this is the source, he is sending some messages, and here is come, here is also destination, but sometimes he can route from here, this route this message to this point also or this point also. That is the big problem, where there are two direction of this node. Okay, so that is a routing problem also. Okay. Do you want this take Prajakta? लिहून घेता का हे?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take. Fifty-one people are joining now. 48. कोणाला डाऊट आहे का, काही कळलं नाही किंवा काय क्वेश्चन आहे, यू कॅन आस्क. Self configuration also is one of the challenge. Is a crucial. Network is expected to work without manual management or configuration. This is also one of the challenge. झालं का हे प्राजक्ता? हॅलो.
No, ma'am. 1 minute. Done, ma'am.
Take down these characteristics and properties. Dynamic topology. Second one, energy constant modes. एनर्जी कॉन्स्टंट म्हणजे काय? नोट्सना बॅकअप नसल्यामुळं ते एनर्जी लिमिटेड आहे. तर त्याच्यामुळं त्यांना म्हणजे फोर्सफुली काय काय वेळा चार्जिंग म्हणजे एनर्जी कमी जरी असली तरी वर्क करावं लागतं. दॅट्स एनर्जी कॉन्स्टंट. Distributed network. Sixth one is distributed networks. Not only distributed, here is one distributed network.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, next one, challenges. Okay, have you finished this?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody any doubts? I think it is easy because you have seen many things in controller, in microprocessor or any other subject. Because of that you म्हणजे हे इझी वाटत असेल ना तुम्हाला बरेच म्हणजे चॅलेंजेस ऍप्लिकेशन्स वगैरे तेच आहेत फक्त एवढं की वायरलेस सेन्सर किंवा वायरलेस सेन्सर्स आहेत तिथं त्याच्यामुळं इझी वाटत असेल सगळ्यांना. काही डाऊट्स असेल तर विचारा. तुम्ही कंट्रोलर मध्ये बरेच ऍप्लिकेशन शिकला असाल किंवा त्याच्यामधले काही चॅलेंजेस असतील तेच इकडे असतील काही प्रोसेसर मधले असतील किंवा काही नेटवर्क सिक्युरिटी मधले असतील किंवा सीएनएन कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क प्रोटोकॉल त्याच्यामधले काही असतील त्याच्यामुळं एवढं काही हार्ड सब्जेक्ट नाही आहे. तरी कोणाला डाऊट्स काही असेल तर कोणाला कळत नाही शिकवलेलं असं कोणी आहे का? हम्म का कोणी ऐकतच नाही? प्राजक्ता तुम्हाला काही डाऊट्स आहेत का?
No, ma'am.
कळतंय ना शिकवलेलं का फास्ट होतंय? ओके नेक्स्ट टाइम आपण हे बघणार आहोत ॲडॉप नेटवर्क आणि वायरलेस सेन्सर नेटवर्कमध्ये काय डिफरन्स आहे ते, आणि ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ ॲडॉप नेटवर्क्स. ह्याच्यामध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम्स पण आहेत ॲडॉप नेटवर्क्समध्ये बघा. लिमिटेड वायरलेस रेंज तुम्ही बघितलं, पॉकेट लॉस म्हणजे राउटिंग करताना काय काय वेळेस पॉकेट लॉस पण होऊ शकतात. नंतर एनर्जी कन्झर्वेशन बिकॉज ऑफ लिमिटेड बॅटरी हे आहे. लो क्वालिटी कम्युनिकेशन, कधी कधी कम्युनिकेशन लो होऊ शकते म्हणजे इथून तिथपर्यंत जाताना. नंतर हिडन नोड प्रॉब्लेम क्रिएट्स द कोलिजन ऑफ if two devices trying to communicate with the same nodes. म्हणजे बघा, चल हे डेस्टिनेशन आहे, इथून सपोज इथं मीटिंग घेणारा जो कोणी मी आहे इथं समजा, आणि तुम्ही पण इथून बोलत आहे एकाच वेळेस दोघांचा आवाज मला व्यवस्थित कळेल का? दॅट्स अ कोलिजन, कम्युनिकेशन कोलिजन विथ सेम रिसिव्हर. सपोज मी एखादा क्वेश्चन विचारला आणि तुमच्यापैकी दोघांनीही क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर एकाच वेळेस सांगत आहे, त्यावेळेस ते कोलिजन होणार ना. एकाच वेळेस इथं मला हे ऐकू येणार, पण त्याचं मिक्सिंग होऊन ते हे म्हणजे रिसिव्हरला काहीच कळणार नाहीये. तसं होईल हे हिडन नोड मुळे, म्हणजे कोण किती सांगत आहे किंवा कुठून येते. इथं बघा, इथूनही इथं मेसेज आला आणि इथूनही इथं मेसेज आला, तर रिसिव्हरला एकाच वेळेस प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतो. म्हणजे त्याला ऍड्रेस माहित नसेल तर, किंवा काही प्रॉब्लेम होऊ शकतात एकाच वेळेस ते कोलिजन मुळे. ओके, इथे थांबूया आपण. आणि प्रेझेंटली बघा, ऑप्शन नंबर सांगते मी: 21, 31, 36, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 49, 51, 52,
47 present.
52
36 present, ma'am.
36 present, 52
52
present. Yes.
53 madam. 53 present.
Yeah, 53 is present. 54.
62 madam.
Yes, present.
Four.
Wait. I am announcing option numbers only. Okay, 54, 57, 60, 70, 71.
Madam, 58 number.
Yeah, you are present.
Madam,
47.
67.
60 madam.
67.
47.
60 madam.
21, 30, 60. Okay.
47.
Yeah. Again, anybody present? I see not.
68.
62.
See, listen: 21, 31, 38, 39, 41, 43, 45, 46, 49, 51, 54, 57, 70, and 71 are absent roll numbers. Okay. Anybody present from these absent numbers?
48 present ma'am.
No, you are present.
41 present.
41 present. You are joined now.
No ma'am.
I think I take within 5 minutes here. You are. तुम्ही आता जॉईन दिसलात वाटतं. तुमचा काही नेटवर्क इश्यू होता का? 41 अजय.
हाँ मैम.
ठीक आहे.
48 ma'am.
48 प्रेझेंट आहे.
मॅम 49.
तुम्ही पण आता जॉईन झालात का? 49 कोण आहे?
नाही मॅम 48 आणि 49 एकाच फोनवरती करतोय.
हो का? बरं, ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे, मग नेक्स्ट टाइम भेटू. चल, बाय. हॅव अ नाईस